Greetings, my dear friends. I, Chef Isabella, am delighted to welcome you to my channel. I present to you my irresistible creation, delicious coconut chocolate balls. These delightful homemade treats can be enjoyed by both friends and families. Get ready to indulge in a smooth and luxurious delicacy made with coconut and chocolate powder. Without any more delay, let us embark on this culinary adventure together. Place a pan over very low heat and carefully add coconut powder, ensuring it spreads evenly. Slowly roast the coconut powder, being cautious not to raise the flame as it could potentially lead to burning. Continue roasting until the coconut powder achieves a gentle golden brown color. Pour 100 milliliters of condensed milk into the mixture and thoroughly combine it. Heat the mixture for 5 minutes. Set aside 50% of the coconut mixture in a separate bowl. Add chocolate powder to the desired taste and preference, and thoroughly mix it until well combined. After ensuring the chocolate powder is thoroughly incorporated, take a small portion, approximately 15 to 20 grams, in your palm. Press and roll it between your palms to form a ball shape. Repeat the same process with the plain coconut mixture. Once the balls are formed, prepare a plate with dry coconut powder. Roll the coconut and chocolate balls in the dry coconut powder, ensuring that the powder adheres to the surface of the balls. Once all the balls are finished, place them in the freezer for duration of 2 hours. Afterward, you can indulge in the delightful goodness of your freshly prepared coconut chocolate balls with your loved ones. Allow them to experience the exquisite flavors and enjoy this sweet treat together. If you found this content enjoyable, I would greatly appreciate your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Stay tuned for future episodes where I will share even more mouth-watering treats. Until we meet again, take care and bye for now.